Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I am popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation. People friendly call me as a Bapuji. I am lawyer, writer, and India independence activist. I believe in peace, love, and friendship. I have aimed at non-violence and truth. Let us work together for unity and peace. Jai Hind. Thank you.